Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2022 KTM RC390. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2022 KTM RC390 with 2,543 miles runs well. It comes equipped with ABS and traction control. It's been upgraded with a Powertronic ECU, a Tiger Performance exhaust, front axle sliders, rear spool sliders, T-Rex engine covers, and a rear fender eliminator kit. Powered by a 373cc single-cylinder engine, the RC390 puts 48 horsepower and 27 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 3.6-gallon fuel capacity, the RC390 has a 155 to 215-mile fuel range. It has a 32.4-inch seat height and a 342-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this RC390 will need passenger footrests. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts and installed new front and rear tires. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has noted that the exhaust pops on deceleration. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider a flaw not caused by normal riding. There are scratches on the bar end, a blemish on the mirror glass, and scratches on the windshield. This bike has one key, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. This bike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.